class 9th maths. Today we have chapter circle and we discuss what is circle and some definitions related to circle as what is center of circle, radius of circle, chord of circle, diameter of circle, semicircle and other definitions. So we first of all define what is circle. Its definition. So circle, we define circle. What is circle? Circle is the locus of those points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Once again listen. Circle is the locus of those points in a plane which lie at equidistance from fixed point in the plane. So we make the figure of circle in plane of green board. See, we take a fixed point and many points from fixed point at lie equidistant. Locus of these points is a circle. Therefore, we define circle is the locus of those points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of circle. This fixed point is known as center of circle. In this figure, O is center of circle. Center of circle. And distance between any point lie on the circle with the center of circle is called radius of circle. OP is radius of circle. Radius. Radius of circle. The distance between fixed point and any point lying on the circle is called radius of circle. OP equal to R, radius of circle. Radius of circle. Once again, listen. Circle is the locus. Circle is the locus of those points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of circle, and the distance between center of circle and a point lie on circle, any point lie on the circle is called radius of circle. Now we come to the next topic, chord of circle. Chord. A line segment which joins any two points of the circle is called chord of circle. Line segment which joins any two points of the circle is called chord of circle. AB is chord of circle. It is chord. CD are also chord of circle. So, joining any points which lie on the circle is called chord. Is a line segment which joins any two points of the circle. AB is chord and CD is chord. In the figure, AB and CD are chords of circle. Chords of circle. Now we define what is diameter of circle. Diameter of circle. Diameter, listen, what is diameter of the circle? Diameter is a chord which passes through the center of circle. Diameter is a chord which passes through the center of circle. In this figure, PQ is diameter of circle. Its radius OQ is R and OP is R. Therefore, diameter is 2 times of radius. You see in this figure, diameter of circle. Listen once again. Diameter is a chord which passes through the center of circle. It is diameter, called diameter. A line segment, a chord which passes through the center of circle is called diameter of circle. So diameter is PQ. Therefore, diameter, from this figure you see that diameter is 2 times of OB, because here R radius, here also radius, so 2 times of R. So diameter of circle is 2 times of radius. If you have given radius, you can find diameter. If it is given diameter, you can find radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. When you divide by 2 to the diameter, you get radius of the circle. So thus we get the definition of circle, its center, radius, chord and diameter of the circle. Diameter divides the circle in 2 equal halves. Each part is known as semicircle. We discuss semicircle here. Diameter divides the circle in 2 equal halves. Each part is known as semicircle. Here, this part is semicircle PQ, and here from also here PQ is semicircle. So then any point lying inside the circle is known as interior part of the circle. It lies in the interior part of the circle. If a point lies outside the circle, it is exterior. It lies exterior part of the circle. Now we discuss some other definition related to circle in next day. Thank you, students.